Welcome to Custom Music Distribution. This is a short video on how to get verified on Instagram. Alright, so there's a lot of scam artists out there. I probably get a message each and every day on Instagram on um, Instagram verification, Instagram sites. Look, all you have to do is go to help.instagram.com. Instagram will let you know how to get verified. You don't have to pay for that feature. Um, let's see. First, you log on to the account. Then you go to your profile. You tap the menu screen. Then you go to settings, account, and then request verification. All you need is the full name and an ID. Has to be a government issued ID photo, and then boom, you submit it, and then they'll see if your account can be verified. It says submitting a request does not guarantee that your account will be verified. All right, so basically just do these steps right here, and then roll the dice and see if Instagram will verify your account. It's helpful if your name is somewhere in the account, so that, or your business name. Let's say your account is your business name. If you have documentation from the IRS or something like that, your business name on it, you can probably get verified a lot quicker. So if you want to learn more information, just go on Instagram.